Hello everyone, welcome to another test here on our channel. I found this wrench that you see here. Look at this wrench. It's a wrench that adapts to various types of screws or nuts, right? I found it quite interesting, so I bought it and brought it here to the channel, and I'm going to test it for you. This way you'll get to know it, if you don't already know it, right? You'll get to know more. A very interesting tool. Now let's see if it works, so here it is, guys. Let's open the package. Right. To see how this wrench works. So, here it is, guys. I found it quite interesting. That's why I decided to share it with you. So you'll be able to draw your own conclusions. And if it works, you'll be able to have it in your toolbox. One more tool there, quite interesting there in your toolbox. So guys, look at this wrench, look. It has these pins inside, see? And there are a lot of pins inside here, look. As you tighten it, there is a spring underneath. As you tighten it, look. These pins, they lower. Oh, what happens? Not it will go between these pins here and will fit here in the middle. Do you understand? And then with this piece here, which is the adapter here, look, and maybe put it in a screwdriver, in an impact wrench, or even with the wrench, a ratchet wrench. We can fit here and then use this key here, which is actually a pitot key, right? Now I'm going to get some nuts, and I'm going to do a test here to see if it really works. So I'm here with a nut. I'm here with a bigger door. And this nut here, it fits perfectly here. No, not Tommy. This door here, guys, it's each. It's a 19 nut, okay? So the biggest nut that the tool will pick up is a nut or a bolt. 90. See how it goes in here? Look how it fits in the and this other smaller one here. No, this one here. This one here. Its head is here. Look, 11 millimeters, okay? So look how it fits here. Look. Look. I'm going to do a test now. I'm going to tighten this bolt here in some wood. It's just for us to do a test to see if it really does the job. So I'm going to do a quick test here. Now guys, look, I fitted the tool here in the screwdriver. I'm going to do a quick test just to see if it really tightens, if it won't jump out, okay? And let's go then, and it fits. See, look, it fits. Now, let's tighten it to see. Hey, see? I'm going to put it here. I'm going to it works. See? Now, guys, I made a hole here, see? I made a hole with the drill, right? And to make it easier to insert the screw, now I'm going to make a hole. Just an initial hole here. So, we can try to force this screw in here to see if the tool won't jump out when tightening, right? Now, what did I just made a tree hole. Look, just the tip of the tip of the screw in here, look. We can tighten it here to see if the tool won't jump when we tighten it. I'll put it here. Let's do the test. I'll choose. I'll do it here. Look, I'll do more here, where the wood has. It has more resistance. Let's see. Let's say, it should push. Let's see. Guys, it didn't jump, okay? Oh, It fits perfectly here, look, and it doesn't shine. Oh, see, shush now. Oh, there it is. Look, the test was done a little too interesting, and that really works, you know? From the test, we did there. Of course, it's not a tool for you to apply torque, for you to put the screw there, or the nut. And it gives the tightening torque. It's a tool for you to touch. You touch it, and then you use another wrench to apply the torque. But it's an interesting tool that you can use in several measurements. It's a nut. You can tighten it with it, so there you go, guys. Watch another video, another test. Okay, for you, I hope you liked it. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. You can buy this tool here. Thanks, guys. Thank you. The next test.